Hey everyone, if you are tired of guessing what that warning light on your dashboard means, you are going to love this one. Welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today we are talking about a powerful and professional best OBD2 scanner that can completely change the way you handle vehicle diagnostics. Let's get started. Meet the Foxwell NT809BT OBD2 scanner. This is not just a basic code reader. Foxwell designed the NT809BT for full vehicle diagnostics, giving you access to more than 105 car brands. It supports full system scanning, which means it can communicate with modules like PCM, ECM, TCM, EPS, BCM, TPMs, SRS airbag, braking systems, radio, and many more. That is important because modern cars have many separate systems, and this tool lets you check them all from one device. With the Foxwell NT809BT, you can read and clear trouble codes quickly. It also lets you turn off warning lights once the issue is fixed. But it does more than just show codes. You can view live data in text, graph, or analog format. This helps you understand how your vehicle is performing in real time. Even better, it offers a 4-in-1 live data display, so you can monitor multiple sensors at the same time. That makes diagnosing problems faster and much more accurate. Another big highlight of the Foxwell NT809BT OBD2 scanner is its 35+ maintenance service functions. These include advanced features like ECU coding and bidirectional control tests. That means you can send commands to different vehicle systems to test components directly. It also supports special functions like VAG Guide and FCA Auto Auth, which are very useful for specific vehicle brands that require secure access. Now let's talk about performance and usability. The NT809BT runs on Android 9.0 operating system, which makes it smooth and easy to use. It features a 7-inch colorful LCD touchscreen that is clear and responsive. With 32 GB built-in memory, you have plenty of space for updates, logs, and reports. Thanks to Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, you can perform wireless diagnostics using the included Bluetooth VCI. In fact, it supports over 10 million wireless diagnostic operations, which shows how reliable and stable the connection is. Updating the Foxwell NT809BT is simple. With one-key Wi-Fi updates, you can download the latest software, manage test reports, and even send feedback. There are no IP restrictions, so you get unrestricted access for diagnostics. It also works well in both high and low temperature environments, which makes it dependable in different working conditions. Design-wise, the scanner feels solid and professional. The touchscreen is bright and easy to read, and the layout is user-friendly. Even though it offers advanced functions, the interface keeps things simple, so you do not feel overwhelmed. Overall, the Foxwell NT809BT OBD2 scanner combines powerful diagnostics, advanced maintenance functions, wireless convenience, and a user-friendly design into one complete solution. It is built for serious car enthusiasts and professionals who want accurate and efficient results. Ready to upgrade your car diagnostics? Check the price link in the description. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.